This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Yolanda Hodges. Charming, centrally located home with a new roof to be installed prior to closing, offering peace of mind and improved insurance affordability. This well-maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath residence features approximately 1,212 square feet of comfortable living space with a functional layout and generously sized bedrooms. Step outside to a large, fully fenced backyard, ideal for entertaining, pets, or future outdoor enhancements. The covered patio provides the perfect spot to relax and connects to a convenient utility room with washer/dryer hookups and ample storage space. Perfectly positioned just minutes from Busch Gardens, downtown Tampa, the Florida Aquarium, major highways, dining, shopping, and entertainment, this home offers both affordable living and unbeatable convenience. Whether you're a first-time buyer, investor, or someone looking to be close to it all, this property checks all the boxes. For more information,